Hello ladies and so do you gentlemen, my dear students, welcome to the new lesson of our ScratchMeet Edu course. Okay, if we pay attention on our cases, and we've got 4, no matter which one we watch, we can notice that in any of our cases the commands are almost the same. In programming, when we have a situation like this one, we usually make something which is called functions. And we put the repeating code inside functions. So anytime when we need that actions to be done, we just simply call that function. The function can be parameter one, but it doesn't have to. If function is parameter, in that case, when we call that function, we must proceed certain arguments. But if function is not parameter, in that case, when we call the function, we don't have to proceed anything. Okay, in Scratch, instead of writing functions, we can make our own block. So let me for a while move this here. And now on blocks there is option My Blocks. Click on it and now choose Make a Block. The block name can be, for example, Move Cat. And this block will have one input parameter type of number or a text. So click on this first option and then OK. And ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, now we have our own block which is called Move a Cat. And this block has one input parameter type number or a text. Now, when we have certain condition, for example, if key right arrow is pressed, we will not keep this command inside it, we will move them here. And in this situation, we will just call our block Move Cat. But as you can see, we must proceed certain argument. If key right arrow is pressed, call block Move Cat and proceed value 19. This argument 19 will be accepted by this parameter, number or a text. And now, instead of point in direction 19, we will use this parameter and put here. The same we can do for all our cases. So remove this and just call block Move Cat. So if key left arrow is pressed, in that case proceed minus 90. Okay, let's continue. If key down arrow is pressed, remove all of this. Call block Move Cat, but in this case proceed 180. And if key up arrow is pressed, remove all of this. Call block Move Cat and proceed 0. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our code is more cleaner. But what is difference? Rotation style is different. So we know very well if direction is right or a left. In that case, rotation style is left-right. But if direction is up or a down, in that case, rotation style is all around. So before we set rotation style, we must check what is the value of our parameter, number, or a text. So we need if-else control block. So put here and we need operators and we need operator OR, logical OR, and we need this one, and here we will say if number or a text equals 90, and we need duplicate, or number or a text is minus 90. So let's put this here and this one put here. So if, sorry, just a minute. Okay, I think that now is okay. So if number or a text is 19 or minus 19, in that case set rotation style left right. Else set rotation style all around. So let's check everything again. If key right arrow is pressed, in that case call block move cat and proceed 90. If key left arrow is pressed, call block move cat and proceed minus 90. If key down arrow is pressed, call block move cat and proceed 180. If up arrow is pressed, call block move cat and proceed 0. Parameter, number or a text will accept the argument that we send when call this block. And all that we have to check what is the value of number or a text in order to set rotation style. If number or a text has value of 19 or minus 19, in that case rotation style will be left right, else it will be all around. Okay, let's increase staging area. So everything begins when we click on our green flag. And now let's check if our script works as it worked before. As you can see, everything works as it worked before. In order to turn our script off, we have to click on this red icon, stop. Okay. So, what is the point of making our custom block? You see that now we don't have to repeat the same commands again and again. We just put them in one spatial block, and anytime when we need this command to be executed, we simply call our block. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.